In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track keyword rankings in Semrush. If you want a clear picture of how your SEO efforts are performing, tracking rankings is essential. It shows where your pages stand in search results, which keywords are moving up or down, and where to focus next for quick wins. First, open position tracking. From your Semrush dashboard, head to the SEO section and choose position tracking. If you already have a project set up for your site, open it. If not, click Setup to begin. Position tracking is the dedicated workspace where Semrush monitors your keyword visibility over time, so this is the hub you'll return to regularly. Next, set up your tracking parameters. Choose Google as your search engine. Then pick the location that matches your audience, whether it's a specific country or a city for local targets. Select the device type, desktop or mobile, based on where most of your visitors search. Mobile often behaves differently than desktop, so pick the one that aligns with your goals. When that's ready, click Continue to Keywords. Now, add your keywords. Enter the terms you want to track, your most important phrases, including brand terms and core non-branded topics. You can paste them in or type them one per line. Keep the list focused on what truly matters to your business, so your insights stay meaningful. When you're set, click Start Tracking, and Semrush will begin gathering data. You'll land on your dashboard where the key metrics appear. Visibility percentage shows your overall share of rankings for your selected keywords. Higher means stronger presence. Estimated traffic is Semrush's projection of potential visits your current positions could deliver. Average position summarizes how well you rank across your list. These three numbers give you a quick health check: presence, potential, and performance. To see the details, go to the Rankings tab. Here you'll find each keyword's current position and whether it moved up or down since the last check. This is where you can quickly spot wins, declines, and opportunities to update content or refine on-page SEO. For a broader view, analyze performance using the rankings distribution. This breaks your keywords into groups like top 3, top 10, and beyond. Watch how many terms you have in each bracket. Growing your top 10 and top 3 counts is a strong indicator that your strategy is working. Finally, monitor regularly. Check in over time to track improvements or drops and confirm that changes you make on your site translate into better visibility. And that's it. You now know how to track keyword rankings in Semrush. Thanks for watching.